Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and load the place where you want to add music. Make sure your game is saved. Now look at the Explorer window. If you do not see it, go to the View tab at the top and enable Explorer and Properties. In Explorer, click on Workspace. Then click the small plus icon next to it. Add an object called Sound. Once the sound object is added, click on it so its settings appear in the Properties panel. Now we need a music ID. Go to the Roblox Creator Marketplace and search for audio. Choose a song you like. Click on it and copy the sound ID number. Go back to Sound. In the Sound Properties, find Sound Did. Paste the ID there and make sure it starts with RBX Asset ID followed by a colon and the number. To make the music play automatically, find the playing option in Properties and set it to True. Press play in Roblox Studio to test the music. You should now hear it playing in your game. If the music does not play, double-check the sound did and make sure the audio is allowed for use. That is how you add music in Roblox Studio easily and correctly. Thanks for watching.